Hi friend, today I showed you the how to fix screen touch switch on switchboard. First we have removed the switchboard and it is the small type, and this touch switch is for the 4-way. So we have removed the 4 wire from the switch and remove the 2 switch from the switchboard and fix the screen touch switch on this board. And after that uh, we have connected all the 4 wires of the switch which one has been removed from the panel. And after that we have fixed the neutral wire on this screen touch switch, and one wire is for the main line to fix with the screen touch switch. And after that we have put the board on the actual position, and when we have touched all the touch screen, then light will be continuously on and off like this one. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share to your friends, colleagues and technicians for taking the knowledge of the screen touch switch.